my daddy.
So excited to be on your show, Brooke. The greatest dad ever.
It's fall in New York, and I'm going to be making Daddy's favorite pumpkin spice cake.
Yummy.
The first step is Daddy.
1.5 sticks of butter.
Of melted butter. And now 4 eggs. Whoa, whoa.
Oh, man. Daddy's jabber chop is never over.
So silly. I get to do the last 2 eggs. That was just...
Good job.
Oh.
Okay, put it on the...
Oh, eggshells.
Ta-da.
Now 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract.
And 1 cup of pumpkin puree.
Puree. And now we mix the baby food. Next, 2 cups of almond flour.
And a half a cup of coconut flour.
Then you're gonna put salt and baking powder.
1 teaspoon.
4 scoops and 1 teaspoon.
Then we have a half a teaspoon of xanthan gum.
And sweetening.
And 2/3 of a cup
Of
monk
sweetening.
sweetener.
2 teaspoons of cinnamon. And then some nutmeg.
And then we have half teaspoon of ginger and a 1/4 teaspoon of clove.
And then you mix.
Now we mix.
We're gonna combine the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients.
And then
When you mix.
We
Oh,
mix.
there's more.
pour it in.
Okay. I want to mix first.
And now we mix.
Now I.
Oh dear.
Now we're gonna grease the pan with some butter. Then you're gonna pour the mixing into the pan. Then make it nice and even when you're done, because this takes forever. It's time to put it in the oven.
You set the oven for 350 degrees.
And 35 minutes. It's time to make the frosting. A stick of butter. And some vanilla.
And we have 8 ounces of cream cheese. And 2/3 of a cup of powder sweetener.
Then use an electric mixer to mix up your... Okay, the cake is all done. It smells so good, right, Daddy?
Can't wait to have some.
Okay, it's time to put the frosting on. Daddy, put some on for me. Now it's time to taste.
Is it yummy? It's so yummy.
Thanks for watching, everybody. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Bye.
Bye.